Great YouTube video.
Let me suck my gut in for you then.
You want me to hold the fishing rod so you can maybe help him?
I think if you just cut it right there, we're going to be able to pull the line.
And the pliers too, because
Let's try cutting this part here, and I think we'll be able to pull the line. No, cut it right there. No, down right here, yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Just try to grab him.
yeah.
So he doesn't.
I mean, it's bite really isn't touching.
Yeah, it's not too much.
Got it?
It's wrapped around his leg.
Poor little guy.
I know. I don't want to hurt him.
Did it get knotted on?
Should I cut it in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Here.
what were the chances of that happening?
Right there. Is there on his little footy?
Oh,
I don't think that's all of it now. That's pretty close. I think he's. Well, he couldn't move his foot earlier.
yeah.
Thanks for helping. I appreciate
Yeah, I really appreciate that. Is that all of it? No, look, it's still. Yeah.
Wow, he really got wrapped up.
I think that's good now, right? I think he's pretty good. I think he's good. Yeah, let's drop
Alright.
him. Ready? Yeah, got him. Yeah, I think he's good.
Oh.
Thanks for helping.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
Glad that you guys got. Oh, I got him free. Yeah.
Oh, now it got me.
Let me see the pole real quick.
Here. Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
There you go. All right, you guys. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
How long was that video?
And here's that video was 3 minutes and 12 seconds. You want me to send it to you?
Yeah.
I will. Okay, we'll exchange information. Good job, Joe.
Yeah, it's got to be.
That would be my brother, the bird hero.